Hello guys, welcome to this lesson about financial mathematics, and in this lesson I have taken a question from the book Inquired Approach to Mathematics, and the question is on page 282, and I'm going to read the question for us so that we have a picture, of course, of what the question is all about. So let's go for it. It says, a loan of 1 million rands is taken from a bank to buy a house. The loan is repaid over 25 years, and the interest charged on the loan is 9% per annum, compounded monthly. So the question there is calculate the monthly repayments. Okay, so in a classroom situation, I would usually say to the students, take out a highlighter and highlight these keywords that bring out the important information, and you are able to extract what is given and what you're required to solve for. I've done that for us here on the board. Okay, we are working with present value annuity formula. Okay, this guy right here, and we need to find out what is given. What is given is the value of the loan. The present value of the loan is 1 million rands. Okay, and the I represents our interest rate, and it is given as 9% per annum. Per annum means per year. But on what basis is it accumulating? Compounded monthly. Okay, and of course, in a year there are 12 months. It means this interest of 9% will, be accumulating 12 times in that year. And that's why we need to say 9% in this year. We divide it by 12 because we want to find out per month how much of this interest will accumulate on this loan, or perhaps in our monthly installments. Okay, that will of course be paid along with interest towards the 1 million rands. Good stuff. The N is the number of payments. What do we know? The question indicated that it will take 25 years to pay off this loan. However, in 25 years, we will have how many months? 300 months. Okay, meaning that of course comes from 25 years times 12, giving us 300 payments that needs to be made towards the repayment of the 1 million rands. And as you can see on the side here, I have the timeline for us. It's going to take 25 years. However, it will take 300 payments in this 25 years to pay off this loan. We're looking for X. X represents our regular installments. In this case, it will be our monthly installments that will of course come with this interest, and then we will want to see what the result is in terms of how much this person will pay per month for the next 25 years, to pay off this loan. So let's start and substitute our formula into our formula, and find out what will be the value of X. We have 1 million rands for P, and the X, of course, we are about to solve for it. It's 1 minus 1 plus what is the interest rate. It's a percentage. A percentage is a part out of 100. So it is 9 divided by 100. It gives us what, guys? 0.09. However, it is given as per annum. We want to find out per month. So in this 1 year, there are how many months? 12 months. So we divide this by 12. That gives us the interest that will accumulate on the loan, but on a monthly basis, because our monthly payments will come along with what? Our interest that is due towards this loan. Good stuff. Okay, to the power negative n, but our n is 300, so it is negative 300 there. Okay, as a numerator. Let me just fix it there, meter. Okay, and then this is over I. Well, this I is the same as that I. So whatever you have substituted for this, it must go there. Okay, so we have 0.09 divided by 12. Okay, and as you can see, you need to be able to see that this is what you need to get rid of to solve for this X. Okay, so in your calculator, you can divide both sides by this entire expression. Okay, so meaning that this side, you divide it by 1 minus 1 plus 0.09 over 12 to the power negative 300 divided by 0.09 over 12. Okay, and you do the same thing this side. You divide it by itself, and of course it will cancel out. Okay, and you find out what's going to happen here. That will give you the value of x. Okay, and I've already given you the answer there. It is 8,391 rands and 96 cents. Okay, in financial maths, the standard rounding off is 2 decimal places. Okay, because we need to accommodate cents in cases where that is necessary. Okay, what does this answer mean? It means this person will pay 8,391 rands and 96 cents for what? For the next 25 years. But on what basis? Per month. Okay, and how many months will this happen for? 300 months. Okay, for 300 payments to pay off this amount of 1 million rands, which of course will come with interest, and the formula takes care of that, as you can see there. Okay, so this is going to be about a 3-part series or a 5-part series, because I want to show you how to calculate outstanding balance, the total amount paid towards the actual capital, as well as the interest paid and things like that. Okay, so we're going to play around with this formula and see, what needs to happen and the adjustments that, takes place when we want to find out the outstanding balance, or in cases of pro rata payments and things like that. So it's quite an interesting and fascinating topic here, to, discuss in maths. So for now, I'm going to leave it here. I believe this was straightforward. It was just basically substitution into the formula, doing careful mathematics there, and careful calculator work to arrive at our answer here of our monthly installments. Okay, so guys, thank you for tuning in. I shall see you next time. Sharp, sharp.